Have you ever wondered how to make the perfect pizza at home? Ah, the joy of biting into a slice of pizza. The crisp crust, the gooey cheese, the vibrant sauce, and your favourite toppings. It's a symphony of flavours that can transport you straight to the heart of Italy. Today, we are delving into the art of crafting this culinary masterpiece right in your own kitchen. The journey to pizza perfection starts with the dough. Combine 2 cups of flour, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, and a packet of yeast in a bowl. Mix well, then add a cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Stir until the mixture pools together, then turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for about 5 minutes. The result should be a smooth, elastic dough. Place this in a greased bowl, cover, and let it rise for an hour or until it's doubled in size. While the dough rises, turn your attention to the sauce. Start by sautéing a finely chopped onion in olive oil until it turns translucent. Add 2 crushed cloves of garlic, cook for another minute, then add a can of crushed tomatoes, a pinch of salt, sugar, and dried basil. Let this simmer for about 15 minutes. The sauce should be thick and flavourful, a tantalising preview of the pizza to come. Once the dough has risen, it's time for the fun part, shaping the pizza. Punch down the dough, then turn it out onto a floured surface. Roll it out into your desired shape, making sure it's even but not too thin. Then transfer it onto a pizza stone or a baking sheet. Now comes the moment of truth. Topping your pizza. Spread a generous layer of sauce on the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Sprinkle a good amount of mozzarella cheese over the sauce, then add your favourite toppings. Whether you're a fan of classic pepperoni, exotic pineapple, or simple fresh basil, there's no limit to what you can put on your pizza. Slide the pizza into a preheated oven at 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling and slightly browned. Remove from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. So to recap, make the dough, let it rise, prepare the sauce, shape the dough, top the pizza and bake. It's a process that requires patience and a bit of skill, but the result is well worth the effort. Imagine the satisfaction of pulling out a homemade pizza from your oven, the smell of freshly baked dough and melting cheese filling your kitchen. It's the epitome of comfort food, made even better because you made it yourself. So go ahead, indulge your inner foodie, and create your perfect pizza. Who knows? You might just find that your homemade version rivals those of the best pizzerias in Naples. Buon appetito!